Dear students, I am pleased to present this brief video on G-Learning system, which is developed by Gloman Academy in Germany. G-Learning system deals with education at various levels, starting from school education till the university education. The G-Learning system consists of three main parts: active, interactive, collaborative. A combination of these three parts in a proportionate mixture conveys the overall knowledge of any subject in a school education system. Active learning, as you can see in this picture, the student is using a mobile phone or a tablet along with a book and various other tools which are necessary to conduct education, and in her mind there are so many thoughts which are developing as a result of her self-directed learning. This is called active part of the G-Learning system. The second part of G-Learning system is interactive learning. Here, as you can see in the picture, the student is attending a class, whereas the teacher is conducting the class through online over a smartphone. Interactive sessions generally happen in a classroom environment, but because of the COVID situation, this interactive session is conducted virtually using online and telephone, mobile phone, laptops, tablets, etc. The third part of G-Learning system is collaborative learning. As you can see in this picture, there are two students who are together working on an assignment given to them by their teacher. In collaborative learning, students in small groups take up the assignments given by their class teacher. They work together to solve the problem or complete the project or complete the experiment as part of the assignment. Collaborative learning deals with application of knowledge. The knowledge which is achieved In active part, interactive part will be applied in the collaborative part. Here you will see the steps involved in active learning, interactive learning and collaborative learning. When you are dealing with active learning, the steps to be followed are: you should have the class textbooks, open them to the lesson and the page number as mentioned by your teacher. Then click the video link which is sent to you by way of WhatsApp or email, and then follow 3 steps. In step number 1, you watch the video completely one time. In step number 2, you read the book as you listen to the video. In step number 3, you close the video and read the book loudly. Finally, you complete the online test as part of the lesson given by your teacher. The online test link will be provided along with the video link of the lesson. With that, active part of learning will be complete. In the next part of learning, which is interactive learning, the teachers interact with students in small groups. Students attend classes using smartphone. Doubts and clarifications can be clarified either while the lesson is going on by raising your hand and asking a question, or you can send a WhatsApp voice message after the class is over, or you can call the teacher on the phone and ask the doubt. If your parents are comfortable, you can ask the doubts with your parents or your brother or sister in the family. You can also clarify your doubts by asking another classmate or colleague of yours, or you can read the lesson once again and see if you can clarify your doubts on yourself. With that, the interactive learning part is complete. The last and final part of G-learning system is collaborative learning. Here, the teachers will give you an assignment. The assignment can be a problem, can be an experiment, can be a small project where you will have to apply the learning which you gained during the active part and interactive part of the lesson. These tasks, the assignments, should be completed in collaboration with another students. The groups will be decided by the teachers from time to time for assignment to assignment differently based on the need of the class and the subject. With this, I hope I was able to give you the complete information about the G-learning system. Now, Please click the link and open the online test about G-Learning and answer the questions. With that, you will be completing the first lesson of G-Learning system. The ongoing lessons which are going to happen hereafter will follow the same system of approach, and hence your understanding about today's lesson and successful completion of the test are very detrimental for your future success. I wish you all very best and thank you for listening to this video.